Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Wallet and sign in with your Google account to start. Tap Add to add a payment method or pass to your wallet. Choose Payment Card and select Manual Entry to avoid NFC setup. Enter the full 16-digit card number and the 3-digit CVV on the back of the card. Add the expiration date and your billing address as prompted. Save the card. It will appear in your wallet for tap or display use later. When a terminal lacks NFC, open the pass or card in Google Wallet to display a barcode or QR code. Present the barcode or QR code on your phone screen and hold it steady for the cashier to scan. Ask the cashier to switch to barcode scanning or to the merchant app for QR payments. If the merchant has an app, open it and choose to link or scan your wallet code as directed. Confirm the transaction amount before the cashier finalizes the sale. For online purchases, select the Google Wallet button at checkout to pay securely. Enter any required CVV or authentication when prompted to complete the transaction. Save boarding passes, tickets, and loyalty cards to your wallet ahead of time so they remain available offline. Download the pass to your device before losing service or battery power. If a merchant cannot scan your wallet, provide the 16-digit card number manually or use the merchant app to complete payment. Always verify amounts and receipts before leaving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.